Hello, everybody. I have the pleasure of sitting down with Susan McVeigh and Rhonda Jo Wood, who are College Internship Development Specialists with Easterseals. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
I want to get started. If you could just introduce who you are and the organization that you work for and tell a little bit about that.
Yes, so I am Suzanne McVeigh and this is Rhonda Wood, and we are College Internship Development Specialists. So we oversee the College Internship Experience program here at Easterseals Crossroads. Easterseals is a nonprofit organization that started here in Indianapolis in 1936, serving children and adults with disabilities. And some of our programs include employment services, which is what we are a part of. We also have respite services, autism services, adult day, assistive technology, speech, occupational and physical therapies. And we have some other programs that are not listed, but we also have Campability in the summer, which is for children with disabilities.
Okay, and our mission is to deliver vital services that lead the way to 100% equity, inclusion, and access for all people with disabilities. And again, we work with people with adults and children with disabilities. And some of our programs are broken down into divisions. Our children's services, we have autism and behavioral services, outpatient therapies, early intervention strategies, and like Suzanne said, we have some camps in the summer for the kids. In our family services, we have assistive technology, home modifications, and we have a department that works exclusively with the deaf community. And then in our adult services, we have project search program and some transitional services, and those programs work with our high school seniors. We have a veterans program that helps our vets find employment. And then we have employment services, which help people with a variety of disabilities find jobs and maintain jobs. And that is where our college internship program falls. And Suzanne's going to talk in more detail about our program.
So in our program, we typically hold recruiting events at each of our colleges in the fall and spring semesters. Some of the services that Rhonda and I provide include creating and updating resumes, searching for internship sites, practice with interviewing, negotiating the terms of each internship, and assisting the students in navigating the internship process. We also help students through any issues that may arise during their internship. And we teach our students how to properly communicate at work and teach them like kind of workplace etiquette things.
Excellent. And so in terms of if I was a student that was interested, what would be the benefits of me engaging with Easterseals for an internship?
Yes, some of the benefits that you will receive is that we teach the resume writing and interview skills. The student will be able to establish some workplace experience and knowledge within their major. They will start to learn the networking process. We are with them every step of the way, which helps reduce a lot of anxiety on their part. And we can also help connect them to some other employment services that we have for them post-graduation.
Excellent. And then what would be the requirements for a student that might?
So we don't have a lot of requirements. The students do have to be diagnosed as on the autism spectrum, and they have to be enrolled in at least one college course at the time that they start their internship. We also need them to be willing to disclose with the employer that they do have autism, and they have to comply with the terms of our internship agreement form, which is pretty limited. They need to be able to communicate their hours back and forth, any issues that are going on, etc.
Awesome. And then if a student is interested in watching this and they're like, this sounds like a really cool opportunity, because it is, what would you suggest they do?
They can contact you, or they can contact Hannah Milton and the new autism program that you guys have, or they can reach out to Easterseals Crossroads and contact Suzanne or myself. And I'm sure there's going to be a link with our emails listed
Yep,
to this. So yeah, so they can just email us.
perfect. And then is there anything else about the college internship program that you were hoping to share that you think would benefit students or even faculty that might be listening to this?
The exciting part that we haven't shared yet is that these internships are paid, and they are paid at $10 an hour out of our grant stipend. So that's definitely a good piece that they need to know.
And also, if the students is unsure, because we know there's a lot of anxiety coming with a program like this, they can meet with us and discuss the program in detail, and then they can decide if they want to participate or not. So just because you reach out doesn't mean it's locked in stone that you have to participate. Reach out with some questions and let us explain it more, and then they can decide if they want to participate.
Okay, excellent. Those were all the questions that I had for you both. I appreciate your time and willingness and the wonderful work that you do. And then I will get this posted for our students.
All right. Thanks, Brandy.
Thank you.
Thank you.